how we label the account. So since the recording has just begun, so let me just explain quickly what we are doing. In today's class, we are learning how to enter the double entries in the T accounts. So I'm doing 2.5a because the exercises with A do not have solutions at the end. Okay, so the first transaction is that started business with $16,000 in the bank. So we know that we will debit the bank account and credit the capital account. So we need to prepare these two T accounts, one for bank and one for capital. So one for capital and one for bank. So in the beginning, I told you already how to prepare a T account or a ledger like a giant T, okay? And we know that the left-hand side is the debit side and the right-hand side is the credit side. So please always remember this. This is the debit side and this is the credit side. You don't need to write this, but you need to remember this, all right? So what is the double entry that we are doing? We are debiting the bank account. So first of all, we will look at the bank account. And which one is the debit side? The left-hand side is the debit side, right? So on the left-hand side, we will record this transaction in the bank account. So first of all, we will write down the month. This is June and the date is 1. So this transaction is for June 1. So under 2019, we will mention June 1. Then the amount was $16,000. Under the dollar sign, we will write 16,000. And between the date and the amount, we will write the name of the other account, meaning we are debiting the bank account. So which account is being credited? Capital. So we will write capital here. Now in the beginning, student might get confused that are we debiting the capital account? No, beta. See, which account is this? We are talking about bank account here. So we are debiting the bank account. Why do we write the name of the other account? So whenever we look at the debit side of the bank, we will immediately know that the corresponding entry is on the credit side of capital account because capital is written there. So we know how to check the entries this way too. So bank account will be debited and capital account will be credited. So likewise on the credit side of the capital account, under the year, we will mention the date, June 1, then 16,000 under the dollar column. And then between the date and the amount, we write the name of the other account. So while capital account is being credited, and this is the capital account, which account was debited? Bank. So we write the name of bank account. So let's do one more transaction. Now, next transaction is bought van paying by check. So we know that van will be debited and bank will be credited. So we have already opened up a bank account. We will not open another bank account. Okay. But we don't have the van account. So we will have to open van account first of all. So let's quickly label this. We write van, the dollar signs, and 2019. So we bought van paying by check. So van is debited and bank is credited by 6,400. So van will be debited by 6,400 and the date was June 2nd. So we write June 2. So van debit and which account is credited? Bank. So we write the name bank. Remember, we are not debiting the bank account. No, we are debiting van account. This is the van account. So don't get confused here. So van will be debited and bank is credited. So in the bank account, we will write the entry on the credit side. Under date, under year, we write the date. Under dollar sign, we write the amount, 6,400. And what is the corresponding account? Van. So we write the name of van. All right, let's pass another entry. Bought office fixtures on credit from Old Limited. So Old Limited will be credited, office fixtures will be debited. So both of these accounts we haven't made as yet. So we will be making both these accounts, office fixtures and old limited. Office fixtures and old limited. So let's just write the name first. Office fixtures and old limited. Now let's put the dollar sign first and then the years 2019. All right. So office fixtures is debited and the transaction date is June 5th. So on June 5th, we are debiting the office fixtures and the amount is 900. So office fixtures is debited by 900 and which account is credited? Old limited. So we write the name old limited here. On the credit side of old limited, we enter the date, the amount, and then we write office fixtures, the name of the corresponding account. Next, then we have the entry on June 8th, bought van on credit from Carton Cars. So van will be debited and Carton Cars will be credited. So we have prepared the van account, but we haven't prepared the Carton Cars Limited account. So now time to prepare the account for Carton Cars Limited. So Carton Cars Limited, let's quickly label this with dollar sign and the year. Now, beta, once again, van is debited and Carton Cars is credited. The date is June 8th. So we write June 8th on the debit side of van account and the amount was 7,100. And what is the name of the other account? Carton Cars. Carton Cars Limited. So van debit and Carton Cars Limited credited. So we write van 7,100. All right. Now next transaction is took 180 out of the bank. So bank will be credited and we have put in cash. So cash will be debited. So bank account is already there, but we haven't made the cash account. So now we are supposed to make the cash account first of all. So let's quickly label this cash dollars 2019. So cash debit and bank credit by 180 and the date was 12th. So June 12th, cash debit and bank is credited by 180. So cash is debited, we write the name bank because that is where the corresponding entry is being passed. So bank is credited June. Sorry, this was June 12th, right? Yes, June 12th. So June 12th, amount was 180. And the name of the other account was cash. All right. Next, we have bought office fixtures paying by cash. So office fixture debit and cash is credit. So office fixtures we have already made. Office fixtures will be debited and cash will be credited. So we write the name of cash and the amount was 120 and the date was 15, June 15. So June 15. So office fixtures debited and cash is credited. So we write office fixtures and the amount was 120. All right. Then next is We have paid Carton Cars Limited by check. So Carton Cars will be debited and bank will be credited. So Carton Cars will be debited and bank will be credited. The amount was 7,100 and the date was June 19th. So Carton Cars Limited debit and bank is credited. So let's come to the bank account. We write Carton Cars Limited. Amount is 7,100. Date is June 19th. Okay. So then a loan of 500 cash is received. So cash will be debited and loan will be credited. So we have the cash account, but we don't have the loan account. So let's quickly prepare the loan account too. So the name of the account has to be loan from BBerry. Write the complete name because we should know who this person is from whom we have taken the loan. So loan from BBerry, let's quickly label this $sign in 2019. And we have received the loan in cash. So cash is debited and loan account is credited. The date is 21st. So June 21, we write cash because this is where the corresponding entry is being passed and the amount is 500. So loan credit and cash account is debited by 500. So for every debit, there is a credit. The date is June 21 and we write loan from Berry. Okay. Then next we have paid 400 of the cash in hand into the bank. So bank will be debited and cash will be credited. So bank debit and cash credit. So cash will be credited. The date was 25th. So cash will be credited and bank will be debited. Amount is 400 and bank will be debited. Let's come to the bank account. 400, we write cash. The date was June 25. All right, guys. Then we have bought office fixtures. Office fixtures will be debited and bank will be credited. So office fixtures debit by 480. Office fixtures debit by 480. This is June 30th. And we have paid through check. So bank will be credited. So we write the name of bank here. And bank, go on the credit side, we write June 30th. Amount was 480. This, the corresponding entry was an office fixtures account. All right. So this is how we pass the double entries. So can anybody please share the screenshot on the group? Number one. Quickly, beta. Somebody please share the screenshot. Thank you, Danish. Quickly, beta. One more screenshot. One more. All right, and that's it. So I'm coming back to the chat screen. Yes. So guys, I need to hear from everyone. Please write in the chat box. Have you understood? So just write yes or got it or understood in the chat box. And if you would want me to repeat again, write whatever your query is and I will repeat that again. But I need everybody to answer quickly. Hurry up guys, everyone. Guys, there are few students left. About 4 students haven't answered, but quickly hurry up. I need answers from everyone. 3 left, 3 students are left. Okay, so I've stopped the screen sharing, and what you have to do is to do this yourself, and also you have to do certain more exercises from 2.3 till 2.6. You have to make these T accounts. Okay. So again, commerce students, please don't think that this is a small work. The idea is to be able to do this very quickly, because we are not supposed to spend any time on this menial work when we are doing our papers. This is a very small minuscule work, so we have to do this as quickly as possible. All right, so we have done 2.5 here. You are supposed to do 2.3, 2.4, 2.6. All right. And Ashir, this is the same question that we have done earlier, beta. You will find the screenshot in the WhatsApp group. All right. So guys, everyone, do this very question yourself, and this has to be done neatly and quickly. Both things are very important. Please bear this in mind that when you are increasing your speed, your writing should not get distorted. Because if the examiner will have issues in understanding your solution, then naturally he is going to deduct marks. All right. So do this exercise yourself. You have the solution, and then do 2.3, 2.4, 2.6. I'm here with you. If you would like to ask me anything, you can ask me again. Okay.
सर एक और बार एक्सरसाइजेस का नाम रिपीट कर ले।
बेटा पहले तो यही वाली करें जो अभी मैंने आपको कराई है, उसके बाद 2.3, 2.4 और 2.6, 2.3, 2.4, 2.6 मैं व्हाट्सएप पे भी लिख देता हूँ। So guys, any questions that you have? Okay, so in case you have any All right, beta. So if you have any queries, please ask me. Otherwise, you are free to leave.
Sir, do we have to submit the work somewhere or we just have to do it for practice?
Yes, beta, you have to submit it on the group. I'll mention this on WhatsApp as well. Okay. Beta, there is a WhatsApp group for accounting. If you're not there on the group, you can note down my number. Or you can take my number from your class buddies. Welcome. All right, guys. So if there are no queries, I'm ending the class. All right. Take care. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.